Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the currency in the Zaful application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the currency button. And as you can see, if you scroll up and down and just click on the currency that you want to use, then it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.